Hi guys, welcome to Bhanot Talks, your very own technology channel guys. Recently MI has launched Redmi 8A, which is a wonderful phone in its price bracket. So what we are going to discuss today in this video is about certain unique features of Redmi 8A which no other phone in this category has. So let's quickly start the video. Guys, the first unique feature which this Redmi 8A has is that it supports 18-watt fast charging. You won't believe guys that a phone in this price bracket, which it costs you nearly 6,500 rupees, that phone supports 18-watt fast charging. This is really mocking some other big brands. No doubt they have provided a 10-watt fast charger in the package, but you can purchase an additional 18-watt charger which costs you nearly about 900 to 1000 rupees, and with that charger you can charge your phone really fast. Second unique feature guys about this Redmi 8A is that it has a wireless FM radio guys. Wireless FM radio. Nowadays what is happening is that even the manufacturers, they don't provide FM radio in your mobile phone, but kudos to MI that they have provided a wireless FM radio. It means that you can listen to your favorite radio stations without even plugging the headphones in that headphone socket of your mobile phone. Guys, this is really wonderful from MI, and I strictly believe that other big manufacturers, they should also follow them and provide such unique features in their mobile phones which enhance the experience of consumers like us. Guys, another unique thing about the Redmi 8A in this price bracket is that the phone has a front glass panel of Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which no other phone in this price bracket has. And also, in additional to Corning Gorilla Glass 5, it has a Type-C port. Guys, you heard it right, it has a Type-C port, while most of the phones, even up to the price of 10,000 and above, they don't provide a Type-C port. A phone of rupees 6,500 to 7,000 price bracket has provided us with a Type-C port. So these were some unique features of Redmi 8A. In addition to that guys, it has a 5000 mAh battery which would last you nearly about 2 days, and it also has a fingerprint sensor on the back with a 12 megapixel camera which is artificial intelligence based, and it would give you clear pictures. You will love your pictures. And also it has a splash proof coating P2I which would protect your phone from light splashes, so yeah, you can even go into rain without worrying about damaging the phone. So guys, these were some of the special unique features of Redmi 8A which I wanted to tell you in this video. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. If you do, kindly hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon, and love your channel Bhanot Talks. Share the video with your friends and family members. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope that you would keep tuned to Bhanot Talks for such interesting videos. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.